What is up, guys? Welcome back to the video. Today we're going to be doing some more using Little Magic M solves, and this video will be premiering. It doesn't mean that the video that I'm recording right now is going live. It just means that I am sharing the video live. So let's get on with the video. So I'm going to have a camera down here showing my cubes so you can see me doing the scrambles and stuff, and the timer will be up there. So I hope you enjoy. Let me just get the camera angle right. I'm expecting no one's going to be joining this live while it's premiering, but if you are, just thank you, because that would be amazing. But here we go. You know when you hate when you have your cross all planned out and then you just completely mess up? I hate that too. Worst solve of the year. Worst solve of the year. Who gets that? My hands are really sore today because I've been exercising a lot lately, and my hands are just completely worn out. So I'm just really tired with my hands. There, I just did my solve, my cross in about like 1.5 seconds. That's really good. Alright, decent. Now it's time to take the pill that gives me better solves. There, so I should be like a god at Rubik's Cubes now. Alright.
Eight seconds.
Ah, no, I am messing up like I never have before. Okay. Decent.
Eight seconds.
Ooh, 25. That's good. Guys, I was actually thinking on buying the GAN 4x4. So I will link down in the description all the cubes that I possibly may buy, okay? And alright, this is going to be a big thing, but I promise that I will get at least one of those things on the list. Not today, not tomorrow, but in the next maybe I don't know, but I'll definitely do it, and I promise I'll do an unboxing of one of those things, okay? And that's a promise that I'm willing to keep.
Eight seconds.
That's great, F2O. I love this F2O. Another 25? Oh no. I put it on accident. Another 25? Wow, that's insane. If you are just joining, then welcome to this video. But I guarantee that you're not going to be watching this live, but if you are, then that's still nice. I love it. What is up with all these lucky PLLs? 26! Why am I getting good things? Alright, why don't we do 3 more solves and then we'll be done? Because my hands, like I've said, are super sore. Oh, and I just want to let you know, today's sponsor. We are sponsored by nothing because I'm not popular. But I hope that eventually in my YouTube career on this channel, I'll get sponsored. That would be great. Like, yeah. Like, I don't know why so much people are sponsored by Lords Mobile. Like, fine, it's a great game, but is it, like, I don't understand, but, yeah. I just planned that cross out horribly. I was just about to say, well, but right when I saw that I actually inserted my cross wrong, I changed my mind for that. Ugh. I feel like a meme right now. Do you think I'm a meme? Do you think I'm a meme? I don't think I'm a meme. Bing. Guys, have you seen the Beatbox Baby? It's super funny. I hate this so. Alright, two more. One day I hope to be like Felix M. Diggs or Max Park. They are both fine. Kevin Hayes, Laser Monkey, Leo Borromeo, you name it. They're all good.
Eight seconds.
Come on, I planned that cross out perfectly, and I got nothing out of it. Alright, great. I think that'll end us off today, I believe. Thank you so much for watching. And, yeah, I will see you in the next video. So, bye, guys.